How to get dark mode on Threads. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Threads is a new app that has been released by the Instagram team. And as of the time of this recording, the app does not have a specific feature or option to get the dark mode on it. However, it does automatically follows your system settings, meaning that if your phone is on light mode, the app will be on light mode, and if your phone is set to dark mode, then the app will be um, turned and the dark mode will be enabled. So let me just go ahead and enable the dark mode on my mobile device so you can see how it works. You will see that as soon as I turn on the dark mode, the app will be, as you can see, turned also following the system settings, and you can use it just like you normally do. As you can see, the dark mode has been enabled, and I think it kind of looks really cool if you ask me. So it's that easy and simple. And hopefully in the future, maybe Instagram will enable a specific feature or give us the option to do this separately on just the app. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get and enable the dark mode on the Threads app. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.